How to fix Save as Confirmation dialog closes immediately in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be facing this weird problem after installing August 2026 security update on Windows 11 25H2, 24H2 or even 23H2. This issue occurs because of conflict between the security update and WPS Office. So the issue is likely to appear on the computer on which WPS Office is installed. There are two ways to fix the issue. First one is, if you can sacrifice WPS Office, then uninstall this program. Follow the steps to uninstall the program. Right click on Start. Select Installed Apps. In the search bar, type WPS. Here is WPS Office. For this program, click on three dots and select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. If any uninstallation wizard appears, follow the steps and uninstall the program. Then restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. The second method is actually a tweak. Follow the steps. Open File Explorer by clicking on its icon on the taskbar. Go to this PC. Open the drive where Windows is installed. On my computer, Windows is installed in C drive. Then go to Users. Open the folder. Then your username folder. Go to App Data. If you can't see app data on your computer, click on View. Hover over Show and select Hidden Items. The app data will be started showing. Open the app data folder. Then go to the local folder. Look for Kingsoft, this one, and open it. Go to WPS Office. Go to the version number. Open this folder. Open Office 6. Now look for WPS Cloud svr.exe. This one, WPS Cloud svr.exe. Rename this folder. Give a new name on your preference. Then close the File Explorer and restart your computer. See if the issue is fixed. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.